Hi everyone, welcome to Centerspace's Maintenance Minute. If you ever suspect your refrigerator of not working properly, here's one helpful tip. Simply open your refrigerator and turn your thermostat clockwise, and hopefully you'll hear the fan motor turn on. Once you verify that the motor does in fact work, you can turn it counterclockwise back to the recommended setting. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you as a resident, and we hope you found this very helpful. If it doesn't work, simply call us. We're happy to help.